Hi. Welcome to a new Illustrator tutorial. Today we will know how to make long shadow with the help of transform effect in Illustrator. So please watch the video to the end. Here we have a white blank document. In first step, select type tool and write some texts. After writing and adjusting the text, right-click and select Create Outlines. Now again right-click and make Group. Hold Alt key and pull the text to make a duplicate. Now select the text, go to Effect, Distort and Transform, and select Transform. Here in Transform, keep the horizontal and vertical move on 1 pixels. Increase the copies to 500 and hit OK. Now decrease the opacity to 50%. Select the text and choose white fill. Now hold Shift and select both text and shadow. And make some clicks on Align Objects options until both text and shadow overlaps. If you noticed the shadow if coming out of the artboard, select Rectangle tool, choose a color and draw a rectangle on artboard. Select all, right-click and choose Make Clipping Mask. There you go. Now the shadow is only inside of the document. It's not that important, but sometime this technique will be helpful. Now again select the Rectangle tool and draw another rectangle for a background. Right-click, go to Arrange, and send it to back. Now select any color for your background and you are good to go. So this is that simple to make a long shadow in Illustrator. I am using Illustrator 2022, but this technique will work on any version of Illustrator. If you learned something from this tutorial, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.